is wrong with me? Hi guys, my name is Saloni and I am an artist. Every week here we try some fun, cool experiments together. Last week what we did was we made 5 animals without using brushes at all. Recently I've been thinking that a lot of us are constantly waiting to feel inspired before we let ourselves create anything, like better ideas, better days, better moods, and in that we just end up procrastinating and not creating anything at all. So this week, instead of waiting, I picked small random moments from my actual week and decided to turn them into artworks. But the challenge here is we are making 5 artworks. We have only 10 minutes to finish each artwork. So no overthinking, no overanalyzing, no trying to make things perfect, just going with the flow. Some of these might be questionable, but I think isn't that the point? So let's get into it. So our first image is, the first precious image is that of the newest member of our family. That's my niece, and I am going to paint her picture. We're going to set a timer for 10 minutes. She's in a swaddle, a very cute swaddle which has a spaceship, a rocket and stuff like that on it. Yeah, so she was wearing a cap which slid off her head and it now looks like a French beret in the picture. Let's set the timer. 10 minutes. I am going to use... Oh no, what happened to this marker? What the hell happened? Just gonna make... what's happening? Just gonna make big marks because we don't want to think too much and just get into our heads. Yes. Cute little lips. I don't know, mommy. There's a castle sort of a thing. I think I have enough time. I didn't have to freak out so much and just mess shit up. Why did I have to hurry so much? Oh, we have 4 minutes. We have 4 minutes, guys. Why did I do this? We can make new eyes. Okay. She has really pretty eyes. Big eyes. Big cutie. we are fine. The timer is up. Baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no. She would hate me when she grows up, and if I show this to her, this is the first ever image I made of her. She's not gonna want to make art with me, I think, when she grows up. Yeah. Then let's move on. Next up is a picture of my dinner. I really wanted to have palak paratha. We saw a recipe online. It did not taste very good, so what we did was we stuffed some paneer and cheese in it, just so that it would add some kind of flavor to it, and of course protein. What I'm gonna do is, I think I want to make it like this. Let's set the timer. I need to relax because I thought 10 minutes is not going to be enough, 10 minutes is too less, but I think 10 minutes is quite enough and I don't need to freak out and panic. And let's do this. It's green. I have, so not, I'm trying, God, I think I want to go with, I'll do a base of this, a base of water-based stuff. Also it is, yeah, I forgot to get my cloth. This is a new setup. It is weird that I have to look to my side to look into the camera. This Derwent brush pen, so smooth, so good, much better. We might add some gray to it as well. Fried bits for the paneer. I think some yellow, use white also. What about my dahi? For dahi, I'm gonna use brush marker, Tombow water based. Where the hell is the shade? Number 553. We still have 2 minutes. This is our palak paratha. I think the timer is stressing me out. Anyways, next up is, it's a picture of me in my car that I took because I was having a really good day. I thought I'll just take a selfie to capture that feeling. Okay, for this one I want to quickly use they just wrote blue, but I think this is like an ultramarine-ish shade. Shapes and shadows. For this shadow I want to use Oh no, the time is up. Fine. March. Not bad. I do like how funky it looks. I think I like it. It's a good one. Next one is I walked out of the salon and I saw this cute little creature sitting outside, which I will leave up to you to guess. I think I want to do markers. 10 minutes. We're done. Cool cat. Yeah. She's about to pounce on something. She's looking for her prey. She looks like that. This is perfect. So the last image is that of a scene from the market. What I wanted to capture was this lady. Onions, she's just standing there buying vegetables, onions and potatoes, I think. But I just really liked that entire scene with all these potatoes, and she's standing with her hands on her waist and like taking important decisions in life. So we are going to use the full spread. This is our last one. Setting the timer. We have 10 minutes. I'm gonna make her first. Maybe a mustard marker. Mummy. Why God, why? Great. Fantastic. Do I want it to be bright? Yes, I do want it to be bright. Don't want to do the details too much. But I can't stop. Come on, girl, get a green shade. Right on time. Gonna leave this right here. Fine. Time is up. and yeah, we've managed to make it look not too bad. I don't know, I'll see. I might go back into this, or I might try to make this again, maybe with acrylic paints or something. 10-minute market lady. That is a wrap. This is a recap of what we made today. This is not too bad, guys. This is our palak paneer paratha. You focus, please. Thank you. I think I like the plate and this. I think I like that bit. This could have been less green, I think. Then this is the self-portrait. I really need to put the butter paper in between so that these don't get spoiled because of the pastels. But I really like this portrait as well. Self-portrait. I don't think I've ever hated my self-portrait, the ones that I have made. I think the best one is this cat. This is the best artwork from today's video. Really love it. Also not bad. Just our values are a bit off. I really like her hair. Anyways, that was it from today. Oof, that was something. I loved this experiment. I loved this challenge. It was too much fun. We had a lot of fun doing this. Realized is that we do wait or put a lot of pressure on feeling inspired to make art or to have like exciting life experiences to create art. But I think every day there is at least one special moment to capture in our life and just use that as an inspiration, and that is enough, I think. And that's what I've learned today, and I think a lot of us already have more than enough to start with. Also, once again, if you try this by yourselves, please don't forget to tag me so I can see what you made and what you've been doing. I would love for you to start doing these experiments with me, because you don't have to be an artist to be doing this with me. No one is judging you, no one is judging us. It is just to let our inner child feel happy and free. If you are having fun watching these videos, please subscribe to the channel and share it with people who you think might enjoy these as well. I will see you next week with another experiment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.